Hi everyone, I have found another free AI model and its name is Command R7B, and they have also written the smallest model with a top tier speed and efficiency and quality to build powerful AI applications on commodity GPUs and edge devices. What is the meaning? Here you see that as it is a 7 million parameter model, its size is only 5.1 GB. So that means if you have a desktop or laptop where there is space issue, then in that case you can install this model, and the advantage is that here you see the smallest and fastest model, so its size is low, but it is giving the top performance. So they have given a comparison. Here you see Command R7B and with the other models like Gemma and this Llama 3.18B. So this Llama 3.18B is a 8 billion parameter model, but this Command R7B is 7 billion parameter model. Although we are getting this high benchmark for this Command R7B. So it is completely beating the other models. And another thing is that we'll see how to install this. And they have also written another thing, that variety of use cases like including reasoning, summarization, question answering, and code. So in our daily life, we can use this model. And as it is a smaller model, it will not take much space. And also you can run this model easily in your local. So how to install this? And for that you need to install this Olama. If you don't have Olama, then just go to this website olama.com, and here you see that download button. Just download it according to your operating system. Very a simple process. Next you have to do it, and after that just go to this website olama.com and this model page. I have given this link in the description box, and just copy this command olamaran r7b. Okay, and after that open your terminal or command prompt and just run this command olamaran command r7b, press enter, and it will install. But remember one thing, here you see that I got an error because they have written one thing, that this model requires olama 0.5.5. so if you have installed the latest olama version, then you are good to go, but those who have the oldest Olama version, they have to reinstall this Olama. Okay, after that, you will not get any error. See here, I have not got any error after that. Now, another thing is that if you see that it is a multilingual model trained on 23 languages. So that means it can understand these 23 languages. And let me show you. I will perform some testing on this model in our local. Uh, there are various questions I have, like on this reasoning and this data structure, general knowledge. In all of the areas, I have many questions. So let me test this model with all of these questions. Okay. Now, first I will start with some general knowledge question. So I will copy this question, like who is known as the father of artificial intelligence. Just copy this and go to our model. So I will use this OpenWeb UI. You can use your terminal, but I am mostly familiar with this OpenWeb UI because we in our daily life use the Chat GPT and this Claude Lite. So if you want to know how to install this OpenWeb UI, then just let me know in the comment section. So just paste it and press enter, and let's wait for the some time, which is known as the father of artificial intelligence. Okay, so here you see that John McCarthy, and here you see that the same answer. Now let's test the programming question. So just copy this question and paste there. Okay, and press enter. So write a Python function to check if a given string is palindrome or not. See here, it is giving the output for this programming code, and notice a right code. Okay, and so it has passed the programming question also. And now I can give this logical reasoning question. Just copy this question and see here the answer should be 50 mph. Okay, so this is a unit mph. Press enter, and you see that it is doing this calculation, all of this, and it is same type of answer we are getting as we get in the popular models like GPT or this Claude or this Gemini, right? The step-by-step procedure, but it is a smaller model. So I hope you are able to follow this video. And if you found this video helpful, guys, don't forget to like and share this channel, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. And you can watch the other videos also. I made videos daily for you guys only. Okay, so it is doing the calculations that you see the step-by-step procedure. And yeah, we got the answer 50 mph, and here you see that 50. Okay, the same answer we are getting. So I can test another. This is a reasoning question, pattern recognition. Just copy this question. So what is the next term? Here you see that the next term should be 42. Okay, let's see. Let's enter, and it is doing the calculations, all of these calculations. Okay, yeah, it is 42. It has given. So it has passed this reasoning question also. I can check this probability question also, but there is a popular question which is a cryptography question. So just let me copy this question. And here you see that the question is, what is the result of encrypting this text using a cache cipher with a shift of 3? Okay, so the answer should be KHOOR. Okay, so let's see. It is a very interesting question. Let's see that it has the capability to give the answer or not. Okay. So yeah, we got the answer. Within a second, we got the answer that K is OOR. So you see that it is a very small model, but it is beating the popular model also, and it is giving the correct output like the other popular model that is available in the market. So you please install this model and you please test it yourself, and what are the answer that that is correct you are getting, please let me know in the comment section. Okay, so I will reply and I will like your comment, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. So see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video if you found helpful.